Do you have rich uncles who are not helping you? Or you have rich friends, or rich spouse, or rich friends who are not helping you? And you feel it is not normal that at least they are rich, they should be helping you. Then the problem is not with these rich people. The problem is with you. And I'm going to be teaching you what you can do so that rich people will be begging to help you and favor you. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV. My name is Lukman. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a recipe that you can do so that rich people will be begging to help you, to favor you, to assist you. It might be the rich people that you know, even the ones you don't know. Everywhere they'll be begging to help you or assist you. If you have this recipe, then those who you have been begging for a long time to assist you and they are not assisting you, they will start helping you. They will start calling you to favor you. You can even do it now. And today, you start receiving calls that they want to help you. And the good thing about this recipe is that you are going to be using it every Wednesday. You are not going to be using it every time. You are going to be using it every Wednesday. Now, what are the things we are going to be using? One, we are going to be needing soap. And by soap, I mean your bathing soap. It can be the local soap, the African local soap, or the local African soap, or what we call the black soap. Or they can be white soap, white tablet soap, like Lux, Joy, Sisters, or something. Just white tablet soap, the one that I use in bathing. It doesn't matter. But if you are using a tablet soap, it has to be white. You cannot use blue or green. But if it is a local soap, then you can use it. Then two, you are going to be needing miracle leaf. Miracle leaf. Just cut like 9, 7, or 16, depending on the quantity of the soap you have. Quantity of the soap you have. Then you are going to be getting original honey. Original honey. Then you need a white container where you are going to be packing the recipe, the mixture, the soap. You need a white container where you are going to be packing it. Now, before going ahead to show you how to pack it, there is an instruction. And this instruction is that if you want to do this recipe, it must be on a Wednesday. It must be on a Wednesday. Then, secondly, you have to be clean. So a lot of people will ask that question, can I do it during my menses? No, you cannot prepare this during your menses. And you have to also be clean physically. That means you'll be in good. You must have taken your bath, clean, shave your armpit, your under, you shave everything. Your pubic part, you shave it. As a man, you have to be clean, shave. You must have taken your bath, and it's on a Wednesday. You prepare it only on Wednesday. You can't prepare it any other day. It's only on Wednesday. So, let's get into how to prepare it. If you want to prepare this, like I say, you get the soap. If it is local soap, then it's very easy. If it is the tablet soap, you have to shred the tablet soap and grind it to become like a paste. You have to grind it, and you first shred it, then you grind it to become a paste. You cannot use it whole like that. You have to shred it and grind it. If you have something to blend it so that it turns to like the normal local soap, you turn it to that, then the best. After then, you grind your miracle leaf. Miracle leaf. You can use 9, you can use 7, or you can use 16. Anyone that you choose to use, depending on the quantity of your soap. So you also grind that. You grind it. It will come to, miracle leaf is not. If you grind it, it will be like a paste, Then you get your honey. Now the grinded miracle leaf, you pour it into the soap, mix it together with the soap. Then get your honey, the original honey. Now when I say honey, I mean honey. Don't buy fake onions. Buy original honey. It might be a little bit expensive, but it has to be the original. And if you want to know how original honey looks like, I'm going to be linking a video for you here showing you how to know an original honey. I will link the video up for you. Now let's continue. It is the honey that you use to mix everything together. And in this case, depending on the quantity of your soap, again, you can use a tablespoon of one tablespoon, or 2 or 3. Just make sure you use it to mix the soap very well. That means you are mixing the soap, the miracle leaf, and the honey together. You mix it together inside the white container, white plastic container. It can be a metal container, but it must be white. It must be white. I'm going to be showing you the image. It must be white. Then you mix everything together. Now, if you mix it like that, please go and keep it somewhere. Don't let it touch the ground. It's not going to be touching the ground. You mix it and keep it. Don't put it on the floor. Put it somewhere. Put it somewhere. After mixing, you have to keep it. Keep it for like 2 days, 2-3 days. Then after, you want to start using it. Now, another instruction is that you only use this soap on Wednesday. You cannot use it any other day. It's on Wednesday. You have to use this soap. Even this video I'm sharing with you, I'm sharing this video on a Wednesday, because those are some of the spiritual undertone of the thing. It is only on Wednesday. Some people might ask me, why not other day? You can do it other day, but for best result, it is done on Wednesday. You know, spirituality, you don't put logic, you don't rationalize it, you don't put logic. It is how they tell you to do it. That's the way you are going to do it. I'm your spiritual advisor. You have to follow my instruction. If you follow my instruction, that's when you can talk of getting a good result. So it's only on Wednesday that you can do it. It's only on Wednesday that you can prepare it, and you'll be using it to take your bath only on Wednesday. You can bathe with it in the morning of Wednesday, in the afternoon, or in the evening, but not late in the evening. Just between like 7, 8, 9, 10. Anything after 10, don't use it again. So you prepare it on Wednesday, then you are going to be using it every Wednesday. So this does not disturb any other recipe that you have been using, because you are going to be using this only on Wednesday. Don't use it any other day. Just keep it. Every Wednesday, you have to do it. If you know me very well, you know I'm an apostle of not using your soap on Wednesday. But this particular soap is just for Wednesday, and you have to treat it as such. Only on Wednesday. And it is as simple as that. It's not more than this. But I guarantee you, people will start helping you. Rich people will be begging to help you. Those rich uncles of yours, those rich brothers, rich sisters, rich friends, rich wife, rich husband that have refused to help you, they will start helping you. They will start calling you. This video I'm making this video because somebody messaged me saying that he has a lot of so many rich people, but they are not helping. Now what can he do? I said there are things you can do, and these things are not diabolical. They are just things you can do just to attract favor to you. So even the rich people that you don't even know in your area, some of them will call to assist you. Don't take it as a joke. Just use it the way I ask you to. Because if you come to me, I know how much I will charge you. Now I'm giving it for you. I'm giving it to you for free. Don't say because it is free, you won't use it. Go ahead. I want you to succeed. I want you to succeed. That's why I'm giving it to you. Rich people will be blessing you. They will be begging to help you. This one is a no-brainer. Just use it. I have just prepared my own again, and it's in my house. I use it. And since I started using it, I have been seeing blessings from different quarters. You are going to be the next testimony. Go to the comment and go and write your testimony. If you have any question or query, go to the comment box. Go and comment. And even if you don't have comment, just go to the comment box to encourage me. Just go there. Go and tell me, Smart, Mr. Smart, thank you. And I will really appreciate it. Then you can share this video to others. Share it to people. Let them enjoy from it. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You are not going to be paying anybody. The reason why you are subscribing and you click on the notification bell is that when I release awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. If you want to see other spiritual favor recipes, then check these videos here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.